what is the best day in your school life? For some of us, it's Khel Mahotsavaha, meaning sports day. Let's explore the sports day in Sanskritam. Which games were played, who won, and which new teachers are there to get ourselves physically fit. Ekam, dve, trini. Arambham kurvantu. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभम कुर्मः। सो देयर इज अ बॉय नेम्ड विवेकानंद। विवेकानंदस्य विद्यालये खेल महोत्सवः प्रचलति। बालकाः प्रसन्नाः सन्ति। सर्वे कौशलस्य प्रदर्शनं कर्तुम् इच्छन्ति। Vivekanandasya Vidyalaye. In the school of Vivekanand, what is going on? Khela Mahotsavaha, a great festival of sports, meaning sports day is going on. So everyone is excited, right? So all the boys, all the children are happy. Prasannaha santi, are very happy. And everyone, sarve, icchanti, all are wishing to give their best performance. Kaushalasya pradarsanam kartum icchanti. All are willing to participate and show their best kushalata, meaning expertise. Kutrachit dhavana spardha prachalati. Somewhere running race is going on. As I said before, इस लाइन के शुरू होने से पहले इन संस्कृत विषय एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, आरंभम कुर्वन्तु. This is the way we say start now. So somewhere running race is going on. बालकाः प्रयत्नपूर्वकं शीघ्रतया धावन्ति. प्रयत्नपूर्वकं नॉर्मल कैपेसिटी से भी ज्यादा कोशिश करते हैं कि वो विनर हो, अच्छे से वो रेस पार हो जाए. तो सभी बच्चे, all the students, all the children are running very fast, keeping in mind the prayatna, working hard and running fast. Katipaya balakaha uchchaihi vadanti. Some children are saying it loudly. What? Dhavatu, dhavatu, tvaritam dhavatu. Run, run, run fast. Tvaritam is another word for shigram, fast. तो भागो भागो, तेजी से भागो, जल्दी भागो, कम ऑन, विन होना है. इस तरह से ऑडियंस में बैठे हुए लोग उच्चैहि, ऊंचे से बोलते हैं. कुत्रचित गोलक्षेपक स्पर्धा चलति. गोलक्षेपक जिसे हम कहते हैं शॉट पुट. ये आप देख सकते हैं, हियर इज द बॉल. तो गोला फेंक यानी कि शॉट पुट, ये कंपटीशन भी होती है कि कौन सबसे डिस्टेंस पे, लंबे डिस्टेंस पे गोला फेंकता है. और वो गोला कुछ प्लास्टिक का नहीं होता, भारी वजन का होता है, और उसे दूर फेंकना मीन्स इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ. क्रमशः क्रीडकः लोह गोलकम क्षिपति. क्रमशः टर्न बाय टर्न all the players are throwing the iron ball made up of lokhand, iron, not some plastic as I said before. Then kutrachit kabaddi chalati. Kabaddi is called the same word. So somewhere kabaddi sports is being played. Kutrachit kridakah dirgha langhanam karoti. Somewhere the players are playing dirgha langhanam, meaning one is high jump, other is long jump. So they are doing long jump. कि कौन सबसे दूर कूद सकता है. सम्यकतया सर्वाः स्पर्धाः पूर्णाः भवन्ति. And in this way, सम्यकतया, properly, सर्वाः स्पर्धाः, all the competitions are getting completed. Now it's time for award distribution. समापन कार्यक्रमस्य प्रारंभः भवति. So the prize distribution ceremony, the end program gets started. Vidyalayasya acharyah, meaning principal of the school, swasthanatah uttisthati vadati cha. The principal of the school stands up from his own place and cha vadati says. He says, खेल महोत्सवे आगतानां प्रतिभागिनां कृते अभिनंदनम अभिनंदनम. So he wishes everyone congratulations. See, when somebody gets award, it is not that उन्हें award मिला वो विजेता. Everyone who participates in race is a winner by himself or herself. No need for a special reward. Reward तो उसे मिलता है जो सभी प्रयत्नों में से थोड़ा ज्यादा प्रयत्न करके सबसे पहले पहुंचे. लेकिन आगे लाइफ में आपको सीखने मिलेगा दैट सबकी रेस एक जैसी नहीं होती है. कोई 100 मीटर में पार्टिसिपेट हो रहा है, कोई 1 किलोमीटर में. We can't compare the race of anybody with anybody. और तो और जैसे रास्ते पे व्हीकल्स होते हैं, सबकी डेस्टिनेशन अलग होती है, सबका टर्न्स एंड ट्विस्ट अलग दिशा में होता है, सबकी स्पीड अलग होती है. वैसे ही हमें कभी भी हमारे लाइफ में जज नहीं करना है कि वो हमारे से आगे चला गया. व्हीकल्स चलाते चलाते एडजस्ट होती है ना स्पीड, उसी तरह से लाइफ में एडजस्ट होते होते आगे जाना है. डोंट कंपेयर योर लाइफ विथ एनीबडी एल्स. यहाँ पे सभी के लिए प्रतिभागी होना ही बड़ी बात है. तो पार्टिसिपेशन हुआ, दैट्स व्हाई प्रिंसिपल इज विशिंग एवरीबडी अभिनंदनम. Congratulations to all the participants who came for the Khel Mahotsav in this sports event. And very proudly the principal says, एषः अस्माकं प्रथमः खेल महोत्सवः. ये हमारे स्कूल का सबसे फर्स्ट स्पोर्ट्स डे था. This was our first sports day for our school. अस्माकं शालायाम् अस्मिन् वर्षे नूतनः शिक्षकः नियुक्तः अस्ति. नियुक्तः means appointed. In this year, a new teacher has been appointed by us. एतत् सर्वं तस्य प्रयासस्य फलम्. And now the principal is giving credit to this new teacher for all his efforts. कि वो उनके ही प्रयत्न का, हार्डवर्क का फल है कि ये प्रोग्राम इतने अच्छे से प्लान हुआ, एग्जीक्यूट हुआ और सभी क्रीडाएं अच्छे से निष्पक्ष से प्राइस वगैरह चुनी गई. तम अपि अभिनंदनम. I congratulate him also. Now there is an announcement the principal makes. अधुना अस्माकं विद्यालये, now in our school, व्यायामस्य प्रशिक्षणार्थं प्रशिक्षकः अपि अस्ति. शिक्षकः is a teacher, प्रशिक्षकः means trainer, coach. तो कौन से ट्रेनर है? For the training of व्यायाम meaning exercise. Different types of exercise के लिए we need a trainer, क्योंकि खुद से कभी भी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करनी चाहिए. We never know which part of our muscle is getting worked or getting overworked when we are doing a particular exercise. तो हमेशा सुपरविजन में करनी चाहिए. That's why in our school this new trainer is also there. सः प्रशिक्षणं दास्यति. He will be giving training. अद्य आरभ्य from today onwards अस्माकं शालायां प्रतिवर्ष खेल महोत्सवः भविष्यति. So now he gets an announcement. All the students are very excited. This was the first annual sports day, and now in our school every year there will be one festival of sports. The sports day will be conducted. Then he gives an inspirational speech and says, अस्माकं छात्राः, all our students, राज्यकक्षायाः, राष्ट्रकक्षायाः च खेल महोत्सवेषु भागं ग्रहीष्यन्ति. All our students will take part in the sports events of राज्य कक्षा meaning state level as well as राष्ट्र कक्षा meaning national levels. कि अभी यहाँ पे चुनकर स्टेट और नेशनल में भी वो खेलेंगे, पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. अस्माकं शालायाः नाम उज्ज्वलं भविष्यति. एंड व्हेन दे पार्टिसिपेट कि कौन से स्कूल से हो, तो हमारे स्कूल का नाम आगे आएगा. एंड दैट वे आवर नेम ऑफ द स्कूल विल आल्सो गेट प्रसिद्धि, हाइलाइटेड. जीवने खेलस्य महत्वम् अस्ति. सो ओनली पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं, फिजिकल फिटनेस इज आल्सो नेसेसरी. सो फिजिकल फिटनेस, ओके, नॉट मेंटल फिटनेस जो वीडियो गेम्स पे खेलते हैं आप, वो सब नहीं बात कर रही हूँ. वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ आउटडोर गेम्स. कि जीवने in the life there is a great importance of sports. खेलम सर्वांगीण विकासार्थम सहायम करोति. For an overall development, sports helps us. Sarvangi, Angi are all the parameters of our life. Whether it is physical, educational, spiritual, all the dimensions of our life gets boosted up if we are active, following an active lifestyle. In this way, the principal gives utsaha to everybody present there. Now let's solve the Abhyasa Karyam. Singular sentences are been given and we need to convert them into plural, Bahuvachanam. The simple logic of Parivartan is first identify the subject and then identify the verb of the sentence. Subject is called Karta and verbs are called Kriya. सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब को प्लूरल में चेंज करना है. डोंट एवर चेंज द कर्म. These words will remain static. Let's see how. Dhavakah shigram dhavati. One runner is running very quickly. Dhavakaha shigram dhavanti. All the runners are running very fast. Shigram word will remain the same. करना ये है, अगर अ में अंत होता है जैसे बालह, so the plural will be you add a followed by visarga. So one boy and many boys. Any word ending with ti will have this small na. Dhavati, dhavanti. Meaning है भागना. But dhavanti will always be with the plural subject. This side is ekavachanam. This side is bahuvachanam. Manavaha kridam pashyanti. Many people are watching the game. Gajaha mandam chalanti. All the elephants walk slowly. Balakaha shigram gachanti. All the boys are going very fast. Mahilaha shlokam gayanti. All the women are singing shlok. So this way, ekavachanam, bahuvachanam, replacing ti with anti. Answer the following question in Sanskritam. Vivekanandasya vidyalaye kim chalati? What is going on in the school of Vivekanand? Khela mahotsavaha. Sports event is going on. Dhavakaha kim kurvanti? Dhavakaha shigrataya dhavanti. All the runners are running very fast. Vidyalaye kaha kaha kridaha chalanti. Which all games is going on in that school? Vidyalaye dhavana spardha, running race. Gola shepaka spardha, shot put. Kabaddi dirgha langhanam cha kridaha chalanti. जीवने कस्य महत्वम अस्ति? जीवने खेलस्य महत्वम अस्ति. What is important in our life? Sports is important. खेलः कस्यार्थे सहायं करोति? So actually kasyarthe is very improper way to say. We should be saying खेलः किमर्थम. But okay, the ditto translation with Gujarati. So सेना माटे कस्यार्थे. खेलः सर्वांगीण विकासार्थम सहायं करोति. Sports helps us in overall development. Change the present tense sentence to the future tense sentences. How? Present and future tense depends on the action word. So just change the last action word, not the complete sentence. Shabana, Mohasina, Rameshaha, Vedaha, all these words as a subject will remain the same and just change this. How to change? The simple logic is, for example, chalati is there. You identify it is having a root form chala. You add ishya and then whatever endings is there, ti, taha, anti. So add this word and the endings, terminations. It will give you chalishyati together. Let's see how it works. Shabana vadati, Shabana vadishyati. will say. Mohasina chalati, she is walking and she will walk. Chalishyati. Rameshah khadati, Rameshah khadishyati. Vedah kathayati, the boy named Ved is saying. Now here we are going to use this year also. Don't skip the year. Write complete year and then add Ishya. Vedah kathayishyati, that boy will say. So is saying, will say. Is walking, will walk. Similarly, the rest of the sentence. Next question is the color the following picture given in your textbook and then frame Sanskrit sentences on it. So as you can see, various sports are there. Kabaddi is there, running race is there, gola fake, shot put is there. Here at the corner, long jump is there. Here a teacher is there, and here many participants are just watching and then playing. So let's see one by one which sentence can be formed. I can write my first sentence. Asmin chitre खेल महोत्सवः अस्ति or प्रचलति. I will give you both the option. You can just write asti or prachalati. This is my first sentence. In this picture, event of sports is there or is going on. Dhavakaha shigram dhavanti. Okay, all the runners are running very fast. Ekah kridakah, one player. Kim karoti? Golashepam karoti. Ekah anyah kridakah, one other participant. Dirgha langanam karoti, long jump. Dirgha langanam karoti. More sentences. Many players are there. So, kridakaha. Plural. Kabaddim kridanti. They are playing kabaddi. I can write about the sir. Ekah krida shikshakah. Kridam samyak pashyati. He is looking at the game properly so that there is no cheating. And we know who wins. Now let's talk about these people. Anye prekshakaha. Or you can just write balaha, kids. Kridam. So these are plural, so we will write pashyanti. All audience and all the boys are watching the game. Okay? So these were the sentences. Antimaha prashnaha. Pronounce the following words correctly. Shigrataya. Shigrataya. Quickly, very fast. Tvaritam. Tvaritam. Again same meaning. Fast. Kutrachit. Kutrachit. Somewhere. Gola shepaha. Gola shepaha. Throwing the gola, meaning the shot put game. Dirgha langhanam. Dirgha langhanam. Long jump. Adyarabhya. Don't say adhya. Adya. The is soft sound, not the. The. Adyarabhya. Adyarabhya. Today onwards. Prashikshanam. Prashikshanam. Training. So these were the words. I hope you got the gist of this complete chapter Khela Mahotsav. So पढ़ाकू नहीं बनना है, पढ़ाकू के साथ साथ गो आउट, आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स गेम्स से भी सर्वांगी विकास होता है. कीप लर्निंग, कीप प्लेइंग, हैव फन. धन्यवादः. पुनर्मिलामः. Do some Parokar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadah.